So hey guys, so you know my brother's 2000 Toyota Celica GT? Well, it's got cylinder 4 misfire. And they recommend you, based on my brother's scan tool, they said to fix that it should be a fuel injector, mass airflow sensor, and an intake manifold gasket. So I bought these parts for him. And so one Sunday, me, my brother, and our dad are going to install these parts, and hopefully it fixes the cylinder 4 misfire. And I'm going to either video it or time lapse it of us taking the engine, the parts off the engine that we need to take off, and or live stream it. I don't know, one of those three, and then I'll let you know if it works, fixes the issue. But then he used to have a cylinder 4 lean condition too, but surprisingly that went away, if I remember correctly. And then it had a evap code which went away. So we'll just have to see how it goes after getting these parts installed. So it's either time-lapse YouTube live stream or a video, or maybe multiple shorts. I don't know. We'll just have to figure it out whenever we get time to do it. So more automotive content coming your way. So guys, hopefully you like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload live stream, make YouTube shorts. And keep an eye on the community tab until YouTube makes a feature to get notified when I'm posting community tab. And if you want me to keep on doing more automotive content, I wouldn't mind doing that because I want to grow in automotive. And in RC stuff too, just like that. To where y'all have seen all the stuff I want to do with that thing. And there's a bunch of other types of content. Any content y'all want me to make, just let me know too. So I just wanted to let y'all know about that. And so, and if I get permission, I may try to record video of mine and my brother's granddad's F350, 2001 F350, getting the fender replaced and getting the new fender painted because it's a dually. So I just wanted to keep y'all posted on that. So there could be a bunch of automotive content in regards to anything car related, like fixing engine stuff, putting body panels. You never know what you could catch with me. So I'm gonna end it, so it'll be a good 3-minute YouTube short. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Bye.